welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be different. I'm going to be doing a Lucky Clovers montage. I'm going to keep playing this adventure over and over again. I'm going to pause till we actually get some stuff like the epic chest prizes. I'll show you guys in a second. That took a while, guys. Okay, this is my first prize I'm getting while recording a video. I've got multiple prizes, some good, some bad. Anyway, let's open up this and crack this chest and see what we get. First prize. Not bad, and yeah, okay, wow. Just that wasn't what I had in mind. I'm gonna pause the video for my next prize, guys. Remember, this takes a while, this process. I'm gonna refresh because of lag. Okay, I'm gonna start my adventure again, and how disappointing. I was just trying to put a meme on. Actually, failed back. Okay, bad prizes. Another epic key, which means another chest, and here we go. Our freedom tie, cool. You know what's so... Wow, Patrick, you are not a huge help. Please let me exchange this for a respite cola. I don't... You know, this is really offensive to my gender. Honestly, I'm a male and really you're giving me this? Patrick, you want to be friends with me? Like, wow, just... Why the heck did you... Like, I can't even stop saying random stuff because really, dude, really, that's an... What the heck? Sadly, no. Apparently, Patrick, I understand you want to be friends, but you're gonna start creeping out jammers if you keep giving them rare friendship bracelets. I know. Honestly, it's good luck. Wow, honestly, wow, just wow, Pat, my man, your feeling was bad. You really wanna, if you want mercy from me, then you better give me a spike. Like, wow. Man, you're not a huge help to the society. Take care. You know, guys, honestly, it's just so disappointing when Patrick has no love for you. When he thinks we're gonna be friends. Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh, my God. X? Yep, they're on. So, guys, we've got a new scammer and hacker X Mini Raptor. What if I go through? Will he hack me? How did... That's an ID. How did they get it? Yeah. Yep. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try Lucky Globes one more time. See if I get any luck. If I don't, then I'm just ending this video. I'm talking about random stuff on my video while I'm waiting to collect all these clovers, because honestly, I'm desperate to be good. So yeah, guys, I will admit, remember that video I got scammed yesterday? Let me check if it has any comments on it. And scam a ladybug mess. Okay. See, this is the main, like I said, Small Mallow. She's been trying her best not to expose herself, but yeah. Some random music. I got him yesterday. I did something crazy. I scammed a scammer. I don't really scam that much often anymore because it's not nice and it ruined. But I just got revenge on the scam. You know this person, Luna Staria. Luna Staria. No, I had in mind. I mean Luna Staria AJ. A person named Happy AJ really, she was a scammer. See, there you go. Luna Staria attempted to scam me. Same person. Yeah, so basically I scammed the scammer. You know, what did I get? I prefer not to say what I actually got because some of it is just like crazy. But I don't know what to say. Scamming still isn't right. You won't only use it if it's a desperate need, getting back at the scammer, or I don't know, if you get. Just don't use it as a resource, because you might end up exploiting it. So my best opinion is just only use it to get back at the scammer. If you're really desperate and you're trapped on something, only do it one time. I'm not saying you should do it, but only do it once, because millions of diamonds cry. Just don't try to get like big items off them because that's not nice to work. I do not approve of scamming though, okay? Even though I just said them, it's not the best idea because it does ruin this community. However, I can totally relate if you want to get revenge or something, but I do not prefer. And please don't scam your friends. That's not nice, okay? I've done it. It's huge mistakes, and yes, you can lose some good friends out of it. Rose has like this big obsession on this game. That does not mean I'm gonna give him away. That. See, people sometimes don't like Rose, but they don't have to give him away for free to prove it. I mean, guys, honestly, come on, think about it. So yeah, guys, honestly, I gotta say, there's some big drama going on with this community. Emerald Jam is like this game where we all love it sometimes, and we all despise it sometimes. Because at some points it can just get crazy, honestly. I mean, scamming, drama, friends picking friends over friends. And yes, yesterday, or a couple of days ago, I think 2 days ago, I met this drama person. I just entered Lucky Clovers, okay? And someone was trying to hack the sister. Like, wow. Just, dude, are you kidding me? Because the sister was so burned. And then they thought she was acting like a selfish brat. They called each other brats for minutes. I'm like, dude, seriously. Then two of them, the other sister that wasn't being hacked, and the best friends, which were basically planning on hacking her. Then I said, don't hack her. I mean, honestly, she had like a dark pink hair dress and a bunch more on her avatar. They were planning to get back at her because she was acting like a selfish brat. You know, guys, just, I mean, wow, you're really gonna hack your own sister because she's acting. Just tell her to behave more properly instead of trying to hack her back. I mean, don't. And you know what? Family hacking is just so wrong. I mean, you'll even get in trouble with your mom or dad for hacking your own sister or hacking your own brother or your cousin. It doesn't matter. Just hacking is just not the best technique, okay? I mean, it's even worse than scamming. Scamming, you lose some items. Still, it's not a good thing. And hacking, you could lose your whole inventory and then you look like some dead creep avatar. Like, wow. It's just so disturbing to see people that hungry over Rest they're willing to do anything. Like, wow, guys, are you kidding me? And this lag is not my favorite. Basically, my inventory keeps getting full because of a ton of reasons. So, like, I've done Lucky Clovers a bunch of times. You guys want my best prizes? I gotta say, don't give up. I have gotten a purple lung and a blue lung this year from Lucky Clovers. Some other wristbands, and this video is taking incredibly long time. It's just so disappointing to see people that crazy over some pixel art. I used to scam like crazy just to get rid of people, but now it's not worth it. Okay, guys, karma will always get you back. Okay, karma can be good, karma can be bad. I just don't recommend hacking, okay? So yeah, guys, I'm gonna talk about some other stuff while actually doing this adventure. What is my best prize from every single adventure? If you count all my adventures together, I've gotten some decent prizes, some long collars. Never a black long. I'm really hoping to get black long this month off Lucky Clovers. So I've been doing this adventure a ton of times. Oh my god, my recording space is nearly out. I only have 1 more minute to record, guys. So yeah, let's hope I can beat it in 1 minute. Can I actually finish this whole adventure in 1 minute so I can show you the prize? Oh my god, I'm like shaking. Okay, now we have to really focus. Oh my god. Okay, I'm being timed. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. 1411. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Wow. This lag is just like another challenge. Oh my god, 1422. I believe I can do this. However, this lag is not helpful. I went the wrong way. Oh my god, guys, I'm scared. I'm so scared. I mean, I'm like rushing against time. Oh my god, we're running out. Dang it, 10 seconds left. Okay, I don't think I can do this. So this video is coming to an end. I wish I could